Hi, and welcome to Wrong Way. And today we are unboxing the InMotion V8F. So let me tell you more about it.
Wrong way.
Alright, I just opened the box up before because I just wanted to make sure that is the V8F and not the InMotion V8. Also, huge thanks to cleverboard.pl. They sent me out this wheel for testing, and all the links are obviously in the description. Okay, so the V8 is a very popular wheel. It's very renowned in the community, and you can see right here we have a chart which is very handy. V8 comparison to V8F. So it is a kilogram heavier, should have bigger range. Top speed is 35 kilometers an hour, so faster than the last one. Motor is more powerful, and the battery is 30 watt hours bigger than the V8, and a couple other things I will show you later on in the video. So right away, let's open her up. Here's another manual. Here I can see the correct tire width. Let me just check that real quick. The correct tire width is 2.125. The old one was 1.95. IP54 water resistance. So this is nice as well. And actually here they say it can tackle 30-degree hills. So we should definitely put this to the test. Okay, right away we are greeted with what is this? Side pads? Ankle protection. This is nice. Ankle protection. Didn't see that like right in the box. Cable. Here we have the charging brick. It's obviously 84 volts, like the wheel itself. Charging time 4.5 hours. Good enough. And here is the wheel itself. Very nice packaging. There's no mess. And voila! It's a very familiar styling, like the InMotion V5, oh man, this is shiny. Like the, yeah, it's very shiny. And we can see right away, these are the new foot plates that are the same like on the InMotion V10. They are rubberized and they should be really comfortable, and they're way bigger than on the InMotion V8. So then we will peel. Ooh, satisfying. Oh, peel this off. Okay, so it's on. It's alive? Not yet alive? Probably it's locked just for the transportation purposes. So the light is working as well. It's the same light as on the V8, I think. So it's pretty mediocre. Here you can see the trolley handle. Pretty good. A lot of people like the V8 for its trolley handle and overall, compactness. There's a lift switch as well. Boom. So you can lift it, and I think, there's some air inside, so that's totally cool. So yeah, build quality wise, it's excellent, as all InMotions. Sadly, there's like not a really big rear tail light, so this is a bit of a bummer, but it does have speakers. I will check if it actually does make any sound with the speakers, but first, let me get my phone. I'm very distracted by the camera operator. So right away in the app you can see that it was in transportation mode, and this is very easy. I just had to, open up the InMotion app to figure this out. So let's confirm. And right away, it's alive. A very small and compact wheel. Woo, torquey. And a lot of fun. I have to test the Bluetooth speaker, so let me check that really quick. I think it's, no, it doesn't have a Bluetooth speaker, so the only sounds you will hear are like the voice prompts in here, or the light sound, or my favorite sound, the turn off sound of InMotion. So this will be a wheel I will be testing over the next probably week or so. And if you're still here, leave a like on the video, subscribe to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.